Hey, it's Paul again to make sure you're set to take full advantage of all of Doodle Maker's incredible features. The artificial intelligence technology isn't available anywhere else, and that alone gives you a huge competitive edge. We've done everything possible to make Doodle Maker a winning solution that helps you dominate any niche for maximum results, not just today, but for months and years to come. As you know, the reality is that the world of online video evolves very quickly. What works to convert your prospects into customers, sales, and profits today will be different from what works in months or even weeks from now. This is more true than ever because as people consume so much video, you constantly need a fresh approach to capture attention. And the great news is we've developed a way to keep you way ahead of the curve by leveraging Doodle Maker's artificial intelligence to consistently outperform the competition, even other Doodle Maker customers. So listen carefully, because as an early action taker, I'm about to upgrade your account to Deluxe at a launch special one-time exclusive deal. This means you'll be accessing over $7,400 worth of ongoing features and assets to fast-track your success, take your results to the next level, and leave your competitors in the dust. As a part of your Deluxe upgrade, you'll be receiving brand new Doodle video templates in the latest, hottest niches uncovered by our industry experts every month for a full year, and you get all these with absolutely no recurring monthly or yearly charges. We are waiving all the monthly costs as a special one-time deal. That's right, cutting-edge, never-before-seen whiteboard, glassboard, and blackboard templates added straight to your dashboard every month with no ongoing membership costs. All the templates are fully customizable, so you can use them for yourself or sell to clients to promote, sell, and educate, or even engage to accomplish any marketing goal that you have. We've gone the extra mile and hired a world-class copywriting team to create scripts for each template. Scripts specifically optimized to convert your viewers into customers, and included professional done-for-you voiceovers in both male and female voices. So you can plug these templates in to profit immediately without paying for expensive copywriters or voiceover artists. You will be getting 12 months worth of premium templates for a shockingly low one-time upgrade fee that is already amazing value. But we really want to stack the deck in your favor, so we are including additional features worth thousands of dollars more. And you can use these powerful assets not available anywhere else with all your Doodle Maker videos for unlimited versatility. First off, you're getting 56 additional top-of-the-line text-to-speech voices in 29 languages to add almost limitless variety to any video that you make or have already created to give you the power of global traffic. Only Deluxe members have access to these premium text-to-speech voices, and on top of that, you're getting a huge collection of ultra high-quality royalty-free background audio files. Because music is so important for video engagement, this premium library ensures your videos keep people tuned in from start to finish. Now, with these premium features and cutting-edge templates to use every month, you're sure to be making more videos for both your own campaigns or to sell to other clients. And as a Deluxe member, you get another game-changing upgrade to maximize your profits. And that is priority skip-the-line video rendering. That's right. We've invested in a private Amazon cloud server exclusively for Deluxe users, so your video projects go straight to the front of the line every single time. We've all heard the saying, time is money, right? The faster your videos are rendered, the faster they can be generating you income. This is a huge benefit for both your campaigns and what you can charge clients, because many customers will pay premium rates for a faster turnaround time. Priority rendering all by itself makes upgrading to Deluxe upgrade a no-brainer, but we're not done yet. As a Deluxe user, you also get priority access to all the future app updates before other Doodle Maker customers. This keeps you on the cutting edge so you can leverage the latest video technology and continue to maximize your results as our pro developers roll out updates and exciting new app features for you. As you can see, the Deluxe upgrade is a perfect complement to your standard Doodle Maker license. There's no better way to take full advantage of the software's powerful artificial intelligence for drastically better results today and for the long term. If you wanted to have just one Doodle video template made from scratch, it would cost you at least $500 or more for 1 minute of video. Think about it. That's the cost of doing business when you're paying designers, animators, copywriters, and voiceover artists. Now, because we order templates in volume and maintain an in-house team of developers, you're able to slash those costs and pass the savings directly on to you. Which is why you're getting 12 months of stunning new templates for a low single fee without any further charges. The real world value of these templates and extra deluxe features is over $7,400, but as a part of this exclusive launch, you won't pay anywhere close to that. And just to be 100% clear, you keep all the templates and have access to every deluxe asset for life. Unlike many of our competitors, with our deluxe upgrade, there is no monthly fees. Everything is yours for a single one-time payment, but only when you act now and only from this page. You'll never see deluxe offered at this special launch price ever again. In fact, if you close or refresh this page, there's a good chance this offer will be gone, and the only way for you to upgrade will be at the regular price of $97 a month. Deluxe includes everything that you need to take full advantage of your new Doodle Maker software. You can fully customize all your new templates for any campaign or customer, or sell them to anyone with no restrictions to profit immediately. Use the 56 premium text-to-speech voices and stunning music library with any video you create with Doodle Maker and get both priority video rendering and app updates for a truly massive advantage over every other video marketer, including other Doodle Maker users. No one would blame you for thinking all this sounds too good to be true. There's so much value to the deluxe upgrade. We've offered this package to Doodle Maker beta testers for $497 and they jumped on it at that price. But because we strongly believe in over-delivering on value, as a part of this exclusive Doodle Maker launch special, you can upgrade right now for the tiny one-time price you see below in this video. Don't wait another second though. Once the offer ends, it will cost you $97 per month to get in. And if somehow you're still not completely sure, no problem, because this is totally risk-free. Your low one-time fee is completely covered by our hassle-free 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. The only risk is if you miss out now, you'll have to pay a monthly charge if you change your mind later. So unlock the full power of Doodle Maker now with all the benefits of the deluxe upgrade and join the elite tier of customers and get the best of everything for next level results.